Art can be created using nearly anything. You know that artists use paint, clay, and markers to create, but artist Andy Goldsworthy uses something a little more unexpected. Goldsworthy is a British artist who works with found natural elements. He was born in '56. He currently lives in Scotland, and he has made art all over the world. He's inspired by things in nature like snowflakes, twigs, icicles, tree roots, and rocks. Because his art is temporary, he always takes a photograph when he's finished. This is the only way for him to keep a record of it because it will change over time. You can create your own nature art. Take a walk with your family, pick up loose objects that look interesting to you, and arrange them in a creative way and take a photograph.